Welcome. We're going to talk about how to navigate the dining menu on the Landmark School website. So there are two main ways you can get to the dining menu for the high school campus. One is to go to the high school tab and down to dining menu. The second is to navigate from the high school hub page. Once you're on the high school hub page, on the right-hand side in the yellow bar is dining menu. Either way, you will then open this page called Sage Dining Services, and it will show you the menu for the day. You can navigate for the days of the week at this top menu up here. You can view breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, which is our milk break here at Landmark School. You can also view this weekly or monthly, or back to what we were originally on, which is daily. So if we look at, let's say, September 4th, you can see the menu for that day, and we'll look at the lunch. If you click on an actual menu item, it will open a new box that tells you all the ingredients that are in that item. You can also see next to this other one, it will show you if there are any allergens that it contains. If you are looking specifically to avoid certain allergies, in this box right underneath breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you can click there and it will expand and show you all the different allergens that are put in these menus. So if you, for instance, have, or your child has a gluten allergy, you can click on the gluten and it will, you see down on the list here, gray out any items that contain gluten. You can pick as many items as you want, so you could also pick egg or mustard or anything like that, and it will gray out all items that contain those allergens. You can also choose to show certain eating patterns, such as vegetarian, and it will take out or gray out any items that are not vegetarian. Another thing you can click on is this top arrow on the top right, which just gives you some reminders on how to use the menu. You'll also notice that there are little colored dots, green, yellow, and red dots next to each item. What these dots mean, green items are things that you should eat lots of and eat in variety. Yellow items are things that you should still have as part of your diet, but a little less so than the green items, and the red ones are to be eaten in moderation. So that can give just a really quick visual of things that your students should be eating more of in the menu. There's also, if you click on the top right here, it will take you to Sage's website, and there's a lot of great information on their actual website. You can see kind of their methods and what they believe in terms of food, meet their dietitians, and there's lots of great facts and questions here, as well as much, much more on their website. So that is also a resource too that you can get to from the dining menu. If you have any other questions, please let us know, but we hope this tutorial has been helpful.